Hi, welcome back. A hearty welcome to you. So we are solving some problems as part of trigonometric equations and we are finding out the general solution of the trigonometric equations. We have one trigonometric equations which will solve together. Sin 3 alpha equal to 4 sin alpha into sin of x plus alpha into sin of x minus alpha. We have to find out the general solution of this particular equation. We have to find out what is the value of x. Okay, right. So before proceeding with this problem, we see that a couple of formulas which we have to remember. One is sin 3 alpha, that is nothing but we know that sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. That's one formula which we'll remember. And also there is sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b. You know that if you multiply that, you can see that that's nothing but sin square a minus sin square b. And also you can see that sin 3 alpha, when I write it as 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha, I can take sin alpha common. So that way we should be able to simplify that. So let's proceed. So I am writing this as it is. If I expand this form, sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, that means 3 sin alpha minus 4 sin cube alpha, because a equal to alpha now, equal to 4 sin alpha into sin of x plus alpha into sin of x minus alpha. This is nothing but sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So I can write it as sin square a minus sin square b. That's nothing but sin square x minus sin square alpha. Now you can see that I can take sin alpha common here. So I will go ahead and take sin alpha common. If I take sin alpha common, I will have sin alpha into 3 minus 4 sin square alpha, that's nothing but equal to 4 sin alpha into sin square x minus sin square alpha. Now you can see that sin alpha is, if you divide this whole equation both left hand side and right hand side by sin alpha, you will see that sin alpha cancels out. So then I can also see that now 3 minus 4 sin square alpha equal to, if I multiply with 4, this becomes 4 sin square x minus 4 sin square alpha. Now you can see that these two terms cancel out. If you add 4 sin square alpha on both the sides, these two cancel out, and what you are left out with 3 equal to 4 sin square x. Now this is pretty easy because we know this is of the form sin square x equal to k, and we know the solution for that is, this is of the form sin square x equal to k, which is equal to sin square alpha, where alpha is your principal solution. Then we know that x is nothing but equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. This we have proven already. So let's go ahead and apply that. By that I know that sin square x equal to 3 by 4, I can write it as root 3 by 2 whole square, that's nothing but equal to sin square 60 degrees or sin square pi by 3. Now sin square x equal to sin square alpha, where pi by 3 equal to alpha, your general solution is x equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, that's nothing but equal to pi by 3. So this is the solution for this particular problem. So in the next video we will solve some more problems. We are finding out the general solutions of trigonometric equations. Okay, thanks for visiting. Bye for now. See you in the next video.